for apple, red and sweet. B is for broccoli, a healthy treat. C is for cake, so yummy and round. D is for donut, the best in town. E is for eggs, sunny side up. F is for French fries, crispy to munch. G is for grapes, purple or green. H is for hamburger, a tasty dream. I is for ice cream, cool and cold. J is for jelly, sweet and bold. K is for ketchup on my fries. L is for lime, for a zesty surprise. M is for milk, fresh and white. N is for nuggets, a tasty bite. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for pizza, a cheesy delight. Q is for quesadilla, warm and nice. R is for radish, crunchy spice. S is for steak, grilled just right. T is for taco, a tasty bite. U is for udon, noodles long. V is for vegetables, making us strong. W is for watermelon, so juicy and red. X is for singing, yet to keep us fed. Y is for yogurt, smooth and cool. Z is for zucchini, a veggie that rules. Learning our letters with food so fun. A to Z, we're almost done.